Hi y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me.
I'm wondering if you'd go wandering with me through the wilderness and woods to where the winds are blowing free, through the darkness of the night, heading toward the morning light. I wonder if you'd wander with me.
Well, good morning. I'm getting back on the trail again. Just getting ready to leave Spence Field Shelter and gonna head on down the trail. It is Wednesday, April the 7th. And if you're looking at your calendar and you say, wait a minute, it's not April the 7th, just please remember that I post these typically a week in advance of what they are. So yeah, it's Wednesday, April the 7th. My goal today is Siler Bald, and then I'll spend the night there, and then tomorrow hope to get close to Kleeman's Dome, and then Friday would be a short hike over to Newfound Gap, and it's where I'll meet with my brother on Friday. So looking forward to sharing the day with you. Appreciate you coming along with me, and we'll get started going down this rocky path. Gotta show you this little place. As I walk up here, I'm gonna stop here and have some breakfast. But it's supposed to be a beautiful view, so let's share this together. It sure is pretty little approach. So let's see what it looks like. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, looky here.
You're wondering if I go wandering with you, what kind of trouble we'll get ourselves into. Would it be wrong to tag along with the band?
How do you like this view from your breakfast window? That's what I've got today. Man, it is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna eat some breakfast.
And get
We'll
the
get back.
gang to come, and we'll leave the streets and these neighborhoods, head over the river and through the woods.
Okay, well, we're coming up on Derrick Knob Shelter, and this is going to be home for the night. Made some different arrangements, and Rick will pick me up at Klingman's Dome Friday rather than picking me up at Newfound Gap, and that saves me a lot. Otherwise, I'd get in around 8 o'clock tonight. Not sure I'd have the legs to tackle Kleeman's Dome tomorrow, which I would need to. So yeah, you know, this is just making adjustments on the fly as we go through here. But I'm gonna get set up, and then I'll bring you back before I shut down for the night. All right. Well, here I am in my tent at Derrick Knob Shelter. Legs were a little bit tired after all those ups and downs today, so I'm going to go ahead and go to sleep early and hopefully wake up early in the morning and go ahead and get on the trail. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow. Different reports. One says it starts raining at midnight tonight. Another report that I got was that it starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So if I'm going off of mine, I think I'm going to try to get in maybe 3 hours
of hiking before it starts to rain. But everything's fine, you know, it's just what it is. We're out here doing this, and after this many miles and going probably 6 months to make this happen, we're going to encounter all types of weather. So you just embrace it and get into it. So I am going to go ahead and shut this down for tonight, and then I'll wake in the morning, bring you with me, whether it's raining or it's dry, and we'll head on up toward Siler Bald Shelter tomorrow. Well, that'll do it for tonight. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.
I'm wondering if you'd come wandering my way. If you ever get lost, or if the trail leads you astray, the music of the pack can always bring you back. I wonder, can we wander away? And I'll spread the word